Hello, I'm Cristian on Larson Packaging Company, and today I'm going to show you how to close a crate using screws. Common mistake people do is they don't pre-hole the wood, so it tends to crack or break the piece. So we don't want to be near the edge of the wood. It will crack when the screw make pressure. So we're gonna do one hole in here. Make sure that the panels are lined. And do some more. Gonna do some more up here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and change screw bit. Now we are going to install the screws to close the crate. We're using 2.5 long screws, which for this crate should be good. You want to place in like one screw every 12 inches. As you can see, we just put a screw the right way as should we do, like with the pre-hole. Now let me show you what happens when you don't pre-hole the wood. As you can see, there's light crack on the wood that will get worse over time. That's how we close a crate using screws.